Hi girls, this is Shayla. I'm back with another tutorial. The inspiration from this look came from this picture of Dakota Johnson, in which she looks absolutely stunning. She has these almond shaped eyes which I don't have, but still I love the way they have been portrayed and they have been drawn. So I love this is how my eye looks. It is very simple. All you have to do is that find a perfect matching shade for your lipstick and the blusher. The ones that I use is a lipstick by Fenty Beauty and this blusher Sweet Enough by MAC. So this is by Fenty and MAC, a perfect duo. This I applied already. For the eyes I have done nothing except that I have primed my eyes. So after I have primed my eyes, the first thing will be she does not have those hooded kind of eyes that I have, and they're very small and round. Her eyes are almond shaped, so we need to elongate them a little bit just to keep the actual shape. But the real beauty of the picture lies in her smile, the way she is smiling. So I'm going to use a medium brown shade from this kit by has a beautiful array of all the mid-tone shades that can be used in the crease. So I am going in the crease in the form of a dome. Just go into the crease, darkening the crease to keep both the sides the same. Go a little bit under. The next step is lining the upper waterline. I am using It Cosmetics No Tug Liner. I haven't found a better liner for the upper waterline. This has a great impact as it darkens the lash line. It makes it much more defined. Once this is done, I will be using Charlotte Tilbury Eye Powder Pencil. It's a brown shade. Now I will draw along the upper lash line. First the wing. The detailed lip brush by Sigma. I love to use this brush for blending out the liners. It works really well. I am blending out anything that I applied like this along the lower lash line up to the inner corner and a bit in the waterline. Then I will again take the brush, smoke out. Once it is smoked out, clean the outer edge a bit. Now what we have to see is to compare the darkness on both sides, which I will keep on going in. I go in again. I go in again. Once this is done, I will take this liner, the thin felt tip liner, to go along the lash line. What it will do, it will further enhance the lash line to make it look more darker, and then we will smoke it out. Go along the upper lash line, brush to smoke it out. The next step will be I will go in again in my crease to see and compare the depth on both sides. As we need to highlight the inner corner, and a bit of the highlight goes under here as well. Flat thin brush like this. So we will take a shade from here which will go into the inner corner. You can use any highlighter, and then I will go a little bit in here. Take this, and then I will take this medium brown shade that I used in the crease, and I will blend out all the lines that we did. As I find out that one side is a bit more than the other one, I will go in on the other side and I will match them. This is very important. So this very simple look is almost done. What I am going to do is use Marc Jacobs mascara primer, and then I will go in with the new mascara I am trying today. This is It Cosmetics Slash Blowout. This is a sample size. I want to try, and I like to try the sample sizes as they give you a very clear picture as to how good this will be for you. And so far so good. I'm The eyelashes look like they are more than they actually are. And then going into the lower lash line. I smudged it like I always do. I'm so sorry about that, but this is what always happens to me. I will wait for it to dry completely and then I will take it off. Let it dry and then I will take it off like this. It takes off everything. And then a little bit more. So once this is done, go in with the beauty blender just to spread everything out. So this is how my eye currently looks, which is very simple, very cute, and I love this look as it looks very elegant, beautiful, and I'm totally loving it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions regarding this look, do ask me. I'm here to help. Thank you very much for watching. Follow me on my platform. Spread the love. Love you, darlings.